Front hook. Ankle hook. Knee hook. From here, you can do the carousel. Just switch and wrap.
Minus 40% is 160.
I just want to take care of my grandma, maybe go shopping every once in a while.
When I was a kid, I always wanted to work with animals. I was close.
Shake a little ass, you get a little bag.
These Wall Street guys, you see what they did to this country? They stole from everybody. Hardworking people lost everything. And not one of these douchebags went to jail.
The game is rigged, and it does not reward people who play by the rules.
It's like robbing a bank, except you get the keys. Are you in?
I got I need a crack. Shit, I need room for my legs.
These are my coworkers.
Jobs, please.
What if somebody calls the cops?
And says what?
I spent $5,000 at a strip club, send help.
Damn,
We're a family now.
damn,
A family with money.
damn.
And when would you say that things got out of control?
Pass the mirror. Ooh, kill my style.
Please help! This is my husband!
Like a honey bun, spin like a Tommy gun. Roll your winner one. Roll your mommy someday. I like my birth like you say. You gonna eat this like soon.
So the guy went back 3 more times.
Guess he must have liked it.
Boom, hammer time. I was born to play. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets. I like more than sex. But nothing in this world. I like more than sex.
We didn't do anything wrong. You know, Tony wouldn't let this happen. I'm gonna text him.
Who gave her phone back?